Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create corrections on Facebook, and I'm going to teach you how to create and add correction on Facebook. So first of all, we're going to locate the Facebook app. From here, if we are creating a collection for our Facebook page, we're going to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Then we're going to scroll down and tap on pages. From here, if you can't actually see the option to add or create correction on Facebook, since as you can see, it's supposed to be located here once you tap on the pages. But in the case that you can't see it, it might be that you haven't updated your applications into the latest version. And so we're going to head on over to Play Store and try updating our Facebook applications onto the latest version. And as you can see, I don't have any update remaining for me to see the option create a collection on Facebook. And the problem might be that Facebook hasn't given us that option to create collection on Facebook. And the problem might be that either they launched this updated version on a specific country and we are going to have to wait until Facebook has launched it to our country. But still, if you can still see the option to create collection on Facebook after launching an application and going to your page, there are the three lines on the menu, which is the top right corner. Another thing that we can actually do is once you're on your page, tap on more below your page's cover photo. Then tap on collection from the options provided. Tap on create collection button to start creating a new collection. Give your collection a name that describes its content or purpose. Tap on the collection button. Then another thing is tap on the add items button to select posts, photos, videos, or other content from your page to add to the collection. You're going to arrange the items you've added in the order you prefer. From there, once you're done adding and organizing content, you're going to tap on save to create the collection. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.